Yes, to all my subscriber, blessed morning. You don't know, blessed on yourself. Alright? You don't know this morning day here and I'm gonna fry some chicken. Yeah man, French fried chicken. So I'm go ahead already have meat season up and prepare from the night before. So you don't know season and stuff. You know the meat, everything fully active. Over here, you have some flour with some chicken seasoning, seasoned to the bone, and some celery in it. Yeah, and I had some baking powder in it also. You don't know, you want your chicken fried nice and taste good. While on the side, you have a piece of scallion, onion, garlic, thyme, and a hot pepper. So I'm gonna put that in my oil and make it fry up, get out the flavor out of the seasoning, and do my thing. So I say, don't know French fried chicken, my style. So I'm gonna just stay tuned and watch what I go on. As you can see, my pot over here already on the stove or hot. So I'm gonna throw in some olive oil. Yeah man. And make him go and stay to get hot. And then me put in my seasoning. Fry him up as I said before. And make the oil get the flavor out of the seasoning. So that flavor from the seasoning to the oil, I will go straight into the chicken. You don't know when you fry your chicken, you must fry your chicken to the bone. So as you can see, I add in my seasoning, right? Say thing go on. No rush, no fuss. Take it easy. One step at a time. Yeah. So me I mix up my flour and everything. Yeah man, me I mix up my flour and thing with me seasoning in it already. So the baking powder give it swell the flour when you put it on the chicken and it fry, it gives that little fluffy looks there. Yeah man, but I don't put too much. If you want, you can add it to your liking. But just I do it in a my way how I want it. Yeah, you can see my chicken seasoned properly and thing. And I slice the legs and slice the hips. Cause you don't know, when you slice it, the oil can penetrate to the bone. But when you don't slice it, it takes longer to fry. Right? But when you slice it like you see me take it up with the fork and you see those slicing it, yeah man, the oil go right through to the bone. So you don't know. When you have a friend fry your chicken, spend time with it and fry it properly and thing. Yeah man, you don't know a thing go man. But you can see me there here I coat it with some flour. Yeah man. And when I coat it now, I go take them out and just have the excess flour and put them into a cracker plate till the seasoning fry up. Then me take out the seasoning out of the oil, add in my chicken, and you don't know, get the ball a roll. So as I say, I just watch what I go on. Alright? Yeah man. And as I can see now, chicken fully coated with flour. I just dust it off, put it in a cracker container thing, yeah man. Then me I go put on some more flour and I had a set of it, yeah man. So me I do it man. No rush as me say no man, step by step. Real French fried chicken, fried down to the bone. Yeah man, that's how me do when me prepare my meals. Man, I prepare my meals the best way I can, you know? Yeah man. Prepare my meal with joy and happiness. Yes man. Don't know so I think set man. And as you can hear the seasoning fry out in the pot. Yeah man, and I use a deep pot, not too big. I didn't choose to use any frying pot because the frying pot I go too wide and take too much oil because it is not mini chicken I am frying. So that would be a wastage to use a big frying pot with that amount of oil. So I just use a small pot Yeah man, that's how I do it. And as I can see, I'll add and everything fry up and thing, right? So I go ahead and take out the seasoning. Yeah man, cause I don't want it in it now. Once I get out the flavor, I don't need it anymore because it's not good. The season already flavor out in the oil. Yeah man. And you see the size pot I am using with the right amount of oil. Yes I fully active man. Because having the seasoning in the oil and it fry already, it will turn black and keep on burn and it will eventually give your chicken a bitter taste. Yes, so the best way after you put in your seasoning and it flavor fry out of it, you can take it out. Yeah man, and you can see, go ahead and put in the chicken oil well hot. You see it? Yeah man, I have to cover chicken. I mean now go fry it on no high flame neither. I'm gonna do it on medium because I want it soaked to the bone and I don't want it to fry too dry, meaning that it tough. Because sometimes your friend fry your chicken pan rush and too much flame, the chicken become tough. I tell you. Yes man, so I'm gonna show you the technique of how me do my french fried chicken. And whenever I do my french fried chicken, man, and people get it, they have to call and request more because of how me do it. Yeah, man. Sometimes you cook, you have to take pride and joy in what you're doing and do it to your best ability. No rush when me cook. I do it the best way I can. Yeah, man, as I can see it. And as I can see, even the pepper me leave back because the pepper inside with the seeds them basically flavoring up the pot same way make it keep and the chicken have that peppery taste in it. Yeah man, so I'm gonna take it out and I don't know. I give it a cover so you know it go fry and steam. Yeah. And use my fork and turn it. You see it look? Yes. That the color there. Me need and it not frying too fast. So this french fried chicken is frying and it's steaming also. So you see even the bone, you can bite down to the bone because some people love chop up them chicken bone just as me. You don't know? So you know when you try your chicken bone, just you know bloodiness in it or yeah, you want to try your chicken bone man. The flavor of the seasoning that me fry up in the oil in your chicken bone. Because sometimes even when me slice the chicken and feed the bone, me use the knife and kind of give it a crack. So yeah man, there's ways and technique how to do your french fried chicken man. Trust me man. And as I can see, yeah man, it not fry too fast and it not fry too slow. It just depends on the right temperature. Yes, see it? Yeah man. And when you cover back your chicken, it will go sweat the water from the cover, so it kind of go break down the oil, make it kind of get too cold out. It not go fry too fast, so sometimes you have to give back your stove a little turn up to keep the oil under temperature again. So you have to know the thing, and yeah man, but let me show you that's how I do my chicken. Yeah man, and you can see it fried down to the bone. When you use the fork and stick it, it fork go right through, so it fry properly. Yeah man. And as you can see, I go put the cover on it. Yes, so I go turn up the flame a little more higher. Yes, and thing. Yeah man, turn it up, it look like I don't it go, but I hope it come. So the breeze kinda blow. Yes, so I hope it comes. So you don't know why you so me have my container and thing. Yeah man, I'm gonna put in a serve here in it, so the oil will come out and the chicken. Yeah man, the serve your paper will absorb up the oil, right? Yeah, despite me I use the serve here, the chicken don't come out with excessive oil, but just I go put it on it for it absorb it, and moreover it's olive oil, so it can't cause no effect on me because it's olive oil me use. Alright, so that is the next thing to it. Yeah man, and you don't know olive oil is good for you too. In the morning when I wake up, you can take a teaspoonful of olive oil, or you can mix it with your honey. Yeah man, and drink that on an empty stomach for even an hour before you have your breakfast, man. So you don't know a thing go, man. My friend fry me chicken, but me still I try go the healthy way. You understand? Yeah man. So you think set. No rush. Fully active. See a chicken look? You wanna take it out with the fork, you can look and see how it fry. Yeah man. Just a show you what I go on with my friend fried chicken. And me about to take them out, so through the window blow, and me just open the window. I don't know anything, but I kind of turn it up now fully, so the oil get excessive hot, so the chicken are going to absorb in too much of the oil. You see the oil in a raging peak now. Yeah, so when you take out the chicken, no oil in it, just a little tip of oil, and as I said before, it's olive oil, so no danger to your health, no problem. Yeah man, see how my chicken look nice and crispy and look pretty. Yeah man, just don't know say I saw me do my friend fried chicken. Alright, yeah man. And as you can see, yeah man, chicken stay there go and drain out. And I go put in another set to go and fry. Yeah man. So the thing set man. Farmer wait and experience man. We just share the video and let the family subscribe also man. And I don't know, that's all I'm going to ask. When you share the video and make your family and friends subscribe. Yeah man. So me will give you a look at my chicken with fry and stir. As I can see, me use the fork. Yeah, you see it? Trust me, man. Tell me which restaurant chicken look like this. Trust me. It look like that 3-letter restaurant. We not have to call the name. We don't figure it out. You see the chicken look? Yeah, man. But this fried down to the bone. Fully active, man. Me not exaggerate, man. I'm telling the truth, man. My friend fried chicken, trust me, whenever I do it, man, people go crazy for it. Trust me, people. And see it here, this is my breakfast with cucumber, tomato, and some vegetable. Carrot, cabbage, lettuce with mayonnaise, alright? This can even go for your lunch or your dinner, alright? This is my breakfast, French fried chicken style, my style, alright? Bless up on yourself. Peace. I'm out.